Hey guys, welcome back to the another video of Clinical Dentistry Hub. I hope all of you are doing good. So my name is Dr. Shabista Jibi and you are watching Clinical Dentistry Hub. So today I am gonna tell you, as very many of them have asked the same question, that how many government MDS seat in India we have and how many of the private seat in India we have, and which state has how many government dental college and how many seats are there in the respective states. So yes, today I am gonna tell you the number of government seat in each respective state. List wise I'm gonna tell you, so that you will come to know how many seats are there. So total number of MDS seat in India is 6078, and out of those 728 is the government seat and 5350 is the private seats. That means only India has only 728 government MDS seat. So this I am going to tell you in the category what all state has, how many government seat and how many government colleges are there in the respective state. So there are total number of 22 states which have government colleges in it. So the first is the Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh has only one government college and the total number of government MDS seat is 19. Next we have Jammu and Kashmir, which has only one government college and total seat is 12. In Uttarakhand we have 0 government college and there is 0 government MDS seat. Next we have Chandigarh, where the number of government college is 1 and the seat which is there, that is 17. In Bihar we have 2 government seat with 1 government college. And the next is Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh we have 20 seats of government college, and plus in Andhra Pradesh we have 2 government colleges. In Assam we have 1 government college and there is 10 seat. In Delhi we have 3 colleges and there is 28 seat in Delhi for MDS government seat. In Gujarat we have 2 colleges and the number of seat that is there for MDS government is 50. In Goa we have 1 government college and the seat that is there is 15. And then in Haryana we have 30 seats for government MDS, plus there is only 1 college which is offering this. Next is Kerala. Kerala has 74 government seat in the state, plus it has 3 government colleges. And Karnataka, next is Karnataka. Karnataka has 1 government college and there is 25 number of MDS seats over there. Next is Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh we have only 1 government college and there is 10 government MDS seat over there. Next is Odisha. In Odisha we have only 1 government college, plus there is 18 MDS seat over there. Next is Maharashtra. In Maharashtra we have the highest number of government college, that is 5, plus the seat over there is 161. That means Maharashtra has 161 government MDS seat with 5 government dental college which offer MDS seat over there. Next is Pondicherry. Pondicherry has 1 government college and the seat over there is 13. Next we have Punjab. Punjab, there is 2 government college and the seat over there is 23. And the next is Rajasthan. Rajasthan has 1 government college and the seat over there is 22. Next is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has 2 government college and the seat that is there is 79. That means only in 2 college there is 79 seats in the Tamil Nadu. Next we have Telangana. Telangana has 1 government college and there is 18 seats over there. Next we have Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has 4 government college and the seat that is there for government MDS is 56. Next is West Bengal. We have 1 government college and the seat over there is 26. So this was all about the state-wise distribution of the government seat in India. So as you can see that the total number of government seat in the India is 728, Plus if you see that there are private seats also, which accounts for about 5350 seats. So this was all the category wise distribution of the government MDS seats in India with the respective state. Plus this is one of such disadvantage that in India we have this limited amount of MDS seat. Plus if you see that the number of seat to pursue speciality after MBBS, that is MD/MS, is very much. Even a person getting 25,000 rank will get a government seat, because there is approx 30,000 something government seat for the MBBS pursuing people if they go and opt for MD/MS. So this is one disadvantage which we have, is that we have very few government seat in India, which is a very background of it. With the should look into this matter and should try to increase, because out of the states we have only 22 states that have government seat. There are states which have 0 government seat and there is 0 government college over there. So there is a need that at least every state should have one government college, so that people can easily go and pursue dentistry over there. There are few people who get one state rank, but despite of the 0 government college in their state, they did not get any seat. So this is one such disadvantage in India. So with this note, I just want to say that, with just clear it out, that there are 250 number of colleges in there, in which there is 36 government college and there is 216 private college, whereas total number of MDS seat in India is 6078, in which 728 is the government college and the private is 5350. So you can just look at the differences, only 728. Plus the seat is further divided into the quota system for general, for SC, for ST, for OBC and physically handicapped person. So it has a different quota also, which further gets divided. So it is very tough to get a government seat and you will get a chance to study over there, because there are limited number of seat. So it's certainly a very tough job to get a government seat and study in one such of respective colleges. But if you have the courage, you can do it. So all the best for everyone who are preparing for NEET MDS examination. With this note, I'm just signing it off. All of you, please take care. Bye.